Eightcap. So today we're taking a look at Ripple. Now Ripple's been really underperforming. It's a bit of a curious one, to be honest with you, as we've seen it had some pretty good news coming through, but the momentum has just not been enough to carry forward. We all remember when they had that partial victory. That looked like a fantastic move. It was sucked back down. Then we saw a new test of the key support in this area. We had another rally that was rejected, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, and here we are right now. So looking at price at the moment, we just zoom in. We can see a bit of a descending triangle here. Price has broken out of that descending triangle. We've had a mini win here for buyers breaking out of that resistance there. There's still this key resistance they need to break at this level, but they have the key support at this level here. We are seeing some pretty good volume. So with the breakout, we've seen declining volume into the pattern, and then we've seen the breakout on slightly higher volume, which is a good thing to see. But at the moment we are seeing another stall, and that's after testing resistance, and we're just seeing price stalling at the moment. So it does make us wonder, are we going to see a continuation lower and a failure on this breakout if, say, we see momentum in Bitcoin start to go bearish? Bitcoin has been doing absolutely fantastic, and we do wonder how much of it is holding Ripple up, or is Ripple actually doing its own thing at the moment? But the issue at the moment for XRP is really just not pushing higher. And if we did, and this is on the back of Bitcoin really racing up, testing 48, 823 today. It is off highs. We're seeing a fade coming in. There is a bit of selling going on across the top coins today, with Bitcoin Cash, Ava and Sol sort of being hit the hardest at the moment. But at the moment we're seeing XRP down 0.49%. But the worry is, does Bitcoin get moving lower? Do we see a broader pullback start to eventuate here? And what does that then cancel out this breakout for XRP? And then do we see a move back to test support, or do we see a continuation start to get underway in this current downtrend? And do we see a move back down to test this key support in this area here? If this does fail and we see price continue to hold firm and we see a new move up, we want to see a break of this resistance first. If we do see that break of resistance, we then would look to see if we can see buyers get back up to this area here and put in a test there on the upside. So I think the question I'm really wondering is how much of this is connected to the Bitcoin rally. If that is connected to the Bitcoin rally, it's a bit of a worry, and we do wonder then if we do see Bitcoin have a bit of pullback, are sellers really going to hammer into XRP, and are we going to see this support break and a new test to this level? So a few things to keep an eye on and have a bit of a look at. But yeah, it continues to be a bit of a disappointing story here, and we will continue to see if buyers can get something going. But yeah, it was this pattern breakout just here out of this pattern breakout that got our attention at this stage today, and we are wanting to know and sort of see if Ripple can get something going. If not, are we going to see a new leg lower? So there's two real questions being asked at the moment. So just so just some of those levels, we have that support there around 49.70, 49.70 cents. Then we have that resistance up at 53 cents, around 53.5 cents, and then we have that target area. If we did have an upwards extension higher, we try to see 56 could be tested. But then if we did see a break lower through that support, we're then wondering if 46 could be tested to the downside. So they're just a couple of figures that to throw at you, and we'll see what happens next year. If you have any comments or if you have any opinion on Ripple at the moment, it is a bit of a sad story, and hopefully we can see it return to becoming a bit of a darling for buyers once again. But at the moment, it really is struggling with getting that demand up and going. So what are your thoughts? What do you think? And do you think that this is a valid pattern, or do you think this is just a holding pattern and maybe even potentially a bull trap, potentially going to see more downside to follow? So if you have any comments, feel free to pass them on to us. If not, have a fantastic end to your Monday trading, and until our next update, good trading and bye for now.